Hey everybody, it's Neil and I needed a new swimsuit, so I got this one here. This is by Northyard. Seems like they make a camping and outdoor clothing, which is very nice. And this is what the tag looks like. I got a size medium, so we're going to try these out and see how they are. Let's open it up. All right, let's see what color did I get. Does it say? Sea blue. I got sea blue for being in the sea blue ocean. So this is how they look. They seem pretty nice. There's no liner or anything on the inside, so they are just open there. So you definitely have a lot of breathing room, I guess. You usually get that liner stuff, so that you don't have that, it's a little different. But these are long ones anyway, so they should be pretty good. Let's go try them on, and I'll see how they fit. So here they are. So look at me, see how they fit. So these are good. They've got an easy to get in pocket here. They don't zip or anything like that, but it does have a Velcro pocket in the back, which is nice. So if I had a card key for a hotel room or something like that, I could still take it with me. And check it out. These are pretty comfortable. I can move around a little bit. So I'll be swimming later in them. So probably today. So very cool. So these are very comfortable and very nice looking. You can see it here. And I am wearing a size medium, and I am about 175 pounds, and it seems to fit pretty good to me. So thumbs up from me. And like this video, subscribe to my channel, and links in the description so you can pick one up for yourself.